Hi, my name is Rob Simkins. I'm a third year student at Carmarthen campus studying outdoor adventure education, and I'm running to be TSDSU Group President.
Why do you think you would make a good group president?
I would make a good group president because I know the issues that we face across all the campuses here in Carmarthen, Swansea, Lampeter, London, Cardiff. As a union, we're underfunded. As a result, this has a bad effect on our sports facilities, our society's facilities, teams, across the whole thing that the union supports. We aren't able to do what you guys want. And to me, that's not good enough. So as a good group president, I would make it my responsibility to increase that funding, to meet the targets, and to get what you guys want done as a priority. Okay. I know each campus is different and faces different issues. As part of my role, I have to address that, and that's absolutely fine. My door will be open and I'll listen to you guys. As the SU, we are one SU across all the campuses, but I'm well aware that each campus has its own unique identity, and that's great. That's something that should be promoted. One of the biggest challenges is going to be getting everyone together, but still keeping that different identity and keeping what makes each campus special and unique in its own way. So I think that's one of the bigger challenges facing the SU currently. As group president, my door would be open at all times. I'd be across campus, so you could catch me wherever. I'm not afraid to challenge university, and I'm not afraid to talk to people at any level to make sure that you guys, as students, will get the best value for money experience from your time in university, start to finish. Okay. Voting opens on the 8th of February. Check your student email, and don't forget to vote Rob for the job.